Free.
Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make video review of Mad Max war rig. What I've been building. What took it from me over 500 hours to build, and it's gonna be small comparison from this what I wanted to start to do a war rig, and this what I've done it. So it's gonna be 1/24 scale and 1/8 scale lorry done. So let me introduce you Mad Max war rig truck. So this thing took me over 500 hours to make. Was been quite interesting build, and I'm very pleased with this what I get. So let me show you around. So I will not gonna pull up, I will gonna twist it, gonna show from all sides. Here ploy is also working. I will gonna show how this ploy is working. So all near precise replica of a Mad Max war rig. So plow is pulling up, legs are bending like that. Here is not much movement, so it can go down totally, yeah, or can stay in one position like that. So here it is. Engine bays are not opening and only presented engines. Inside, suicide doors, you can see the interior. Also feature of this, just have a look underneath and have a look on the roof. That's from one side, and this is the other side. Yeah, doors other side, and inside the roof. So doors is like that. Behind the lorry, all pipe work is seeable. Underneath is like this, rusted body style. All wheels are spinning. Front again. What you think about this model, and compare with other models? This is a quite large model, and this is a 1/8 scale. That's from what I wanted to build this war rig, but I like a feature that opening front, yeah, and I've been thinking to use this as a donor, but I realized that I will not gonna manage to do it because I will not gonna need to extend it, and this scale is not gonna be suitable for to build war rig. So 1/24 was been not enough for me, so I built a bigger one. I will gonna put this on the side, and wanna notify you that that's just a lorry. I'm building now tanker for it. Tanker in this scale is taken, one part is taken approximately 4 days to produce. I have 11 parts for the tanker, and after I'm gonna need to build a chassis, print wheels, and do different stuff. Tanker itself is gonna be approximately that size, and this is gonna be only second part, because after big tanker I will gonna need to make a fuel pod as a tiny bowl what was been behind the tanker. Tanker will gonna take from me around few months to build. I have it now disaster. A week ago I had a disaster. My printer kaput. 6 months in a row it was been printing, so my hot end get damaged. One fan stopped working, and one of the parts I missed one of the parts because half of it is printed and rest is just refused to work. So I needed to disassemble my printer, order new hot end with a direct feeder, extruder together with the direct feeder. Yesterday I get the parts, assemble it, and now on printing already 15 hours already printing one part, and only half is done. But I've done it 3 parts from tanker. I still need to print 11 parts. Each part is taken around 1 kilo. So tanker in total should weigh around 18-20 kilo. The whole weight of the model is gonna be around 25 kilo. So it's gonna be a huge model, but I don't know where to put it already. I don't have space on my shelves. This is the last space what I'm using now, and all my shelves are totally full. So here it is. Here it is one. All other models, Giga Horse, this Mad Max Interceptor, 6-foot truck, different models like 112. So if you will like that I will make a review for these builds, yeah, just let me know in comments down below, and I will gonna make a review of 112 scale other my build models. So here it is. I will gonna put back everything, as now I make it mess. So guys, if you are interested in some particular models, let me know what you would like to see on my videos, because soon coming one of the Australian brands car model. It's gonna be Dodge Charger in collaboration with a Chrysler. So I'm gonna make review for this model from Auto Art. It's coming already. I get it for myself as a Christmas present. So it's gonna be review soon. For now I'm finished. Please subscribe to our channel. I don't hear what you said.
Happy New Year, I said.
Happy New Year, everybody. Yes, my operator is telling everybody Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Okay, see you in the next videos. Please leave comments down below what you think about this war rig, and leave comments also what you would like to see that I will make a review of. And probably in the future as well gonna be Batman models, gonna be Ecto 1, gonna be made in 1/8 scale, gonna be DeLorean 3 versions made. After, I'm planning to build another Interceptor plain black version, but from Mad Max without bottom bumper. So I have lots of different plans, but please guys, I need at least 1000 likes to it will keep me going, to I will have it stimulation for next videos. Not many people are put likes, that's why my channel is going poor. I'm trying my best, but if you, with your support, definitely everything will gonna be alright, and gonna be much more interesting videos in the future. For now I'm finished. Have a good new year, have a good day, and bye bye.